Hi there, I'm Stuart from Physio Impulse. I'm just going to talk to you a little bit today about inserts, orthotics, terms are synonymous, which we use for lower limb problems and lumbar spine symptoms, be they recurrent or secondary degenerative change. You can make a difference with physical treatment to correct physical restrictions you find, but sometimes actually making a physical difference with an orthotic or an insert, as you can see here. Here is a 3/4 length insert which fits into various different footwear with some motion control. Sometimes we're looking at a full length orthotic for running as well, with various different heel raises and types of material we can use for comfort. But essentially, I'll just run through the process now of how we undertake a biomechanics assessment. So to start off with, what we do is we spend a little bit of time watching you walk, get an idea of what happens in your foot as it accommodates with the ground. We'll have a look at the general kind of biomechanics and mobility of the foot, looking at supination, looking at pronation, looking at the mobility coming through that first digit. Everything looks okay here. Also see if there's a leg length discrepancy. This left leg is about 1 centimetre longer than the right leg, but we haven't cleared the pelvis yet, so we don't know for sure. But if this was a true leg length discrepancy, potentially a heel raise might be helpful, okay, just to accommodate, as I say, the heel to the floor. So for more complex problems, it's quite often useful to take a cast of the foot, so we can use a computer to make a CAD/CAM cast of an orthotic. Come in slightly more expensive, but really worthwhile to get an exact replica of what the sole of your foot looks like, and obviously increase the chances of an ideal prescription straight away. So another useful tool to get an idea of the exact travel and movement of force over the foot as you walk is to use a pressure plate. Here what we do is we get you to walk over a pressure plate and we get an accurate idea of exactly what happens during the foot as it adapts with the floor. So now we've captured the data and we've got an average. We have a look at the movement of force over the foot just to see if there's anything we need to address with some motion control in the orthotics device for your shoe. The best clinical tool for us to assess your need for orthotic is to film you from the front and from the back to get an idea of your foot and ankle alignment. So turnaround for making orthotics for a modular orthotic, usually about 2 to 3 weeks. Something 3/4 which you could fit into various different footwear. We do thinner plastics which are more expensive for fashion footwear. For running, you'd probably need a full length orthotic. Don't always have to be kind of CAD/CAM made, but if you do want something casted and made by CAD/CAM, it can generally tend to be a little bit longer, maybe between 3 and 5 weeks. Further information, please look at our website. Thanks very much.